Right, select begin alignment. I'm gonna go ahead and scan this guy. That's your RO number. We're gonna go scan the van. There we go. Then we're gonna put who did alignment. Well, you can press OK, OK. Oops. All right. Me. Then the speedometer is 36,823. Select OK. We don't have that. We don't have that. This is just a base model. It's not a fancy one. Install this guy. We need to find a place for this guy though. This is all the harness damage. We love to keep them because someday we might gonna need a connector like this, you know? So we have one. All the fuses and relay. Yeah, but it looks like a garbage right now. Someday I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up and clean this up, put it over there, organize this. But not today. Today is this guy. And I like my area, you know. I would love to be in this corner, but they put the alignment rack here. My hoist, my second hoist. All right, everything is hooked up. Gonna go ahead and push this guy. Then, yeah, this one is an old school one. We gotta undo this. Some people like to go ahead and steer it this way, but I like to go up here. Put this guy on park and press the brake pedal and steer to the left until that thing turned green. Push to the right or turn to the right. Okay, go back to center. All right, I like to go ahead and put this back. All right, it is center now. Okay, So we're gonna raise the vehicle. We gotta press ready, and we're gonna start on the passenger side, which is -16. This is 24 millimeter. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead, position this guy all the way to the left, because when we're gonna tighten it, it's turning to the left, so we don't mess our reading. Okay, see. Oops, I'm the wrong turn. Okay. Now, right there. A little more. There we go. Tight this. See, guys? I don't know what happened there, but look. It's gonna ruin my reading right there. Now we're gonna make some adjustment. Try to keep this one right here. Oops. Okay. Then we're gonna tighten it. We're gonna tighten this one. Now we're not gonna ruin our reading a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's move on. Oh, back to 0. Now we're gonna work on the driver's side. Oops. Okay. Okay. Again, you're gonna tighten this going to the left. So keep this position. Then make some adjustment. Oh, that's the wrong way. Right there. There we go. Now we can tie this without, oops, there's a little changes right there, but still within the spec. So tie this. Okay, there you go. Move a little bit, but hey, still in spec. So let's go ahead and print this out. There you go. It's a solid beam axle in the rear. That means we don't need to adjust that. So we are almost done here. I'm just gonna go ahead and print this out. Then it's gonna come out here. There you go. Now we can press OK. Work order is saved. And press OK again. Reset. Yes. So the next person, this machine is ready to go. Okay, so don't forget to put this back. Oh, it's easy, but sometimes it's a little hard. Let's see if this one is also easy. There we go. Right, now we can go all the way down. Oh yeah, don't forget your tools. Where's the other one? Where did I put the other one? Oh, it's right there. We're good. Alright guys, we're all done. Thank you.